Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, we're normally renovating a 1956 Calcraft, but we thought we'd take a moment to talk about these approximately $120 portable car canopies from Harbor Freight. They're really surprisingly good for creating a shaded workspace to work outdoors, but the real problem with working on most campers under these is that, you know, their build is being 10 foot tall. That's 10 foot to the peak here. It's not 10 foot out here. And a lot of campers, you'll need a clearance of about 9 foot. The part right here above my finger actually needs to be lifted up a few feet to make sure there's enough room for a camper to fit under here. The camper I've been working on is still down to the deck, but we're going to be putting the walls up real soon, and I need that extra space. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut 6 lengths of conduit, drill a hole through there, run a bolt through that to support these legs on. For this project you won't need a whole lot of tools, but you will need a hacksaw to cut your conduit down to length, and it's helpful to have some sort of clamp to hold that pipe down while you're working on it. A marker to mark your lengths and your holes. Tape measure, of course. When it comes to drilling the holes that we're going to put these bolts through, it always helps to have something to mark a point to start the bit. So just an old screw and a hammer. And then to actually drill the holes, once we've drilled a pilot hole using our drill, we'll be using one of these step bits. That's about it. We've got our bolts and some nuts. I've already got my conduit cut to length, so I'm going to work on making the holes in it and pull a leg off of here, and we'll drill some holes in it as well. So let's go ahead and take one of these legs off of here. These actually already have a hole drilled in them, so we're going to use that to kind of guide us. Okay, so we're going to want to make sure we do these all at the same height, or at least close to the same height. So I'm going to put a mark at 37 inches. Now, like I said, there's a little hole in there. So I'm going to go ahead and insert that in there like that, so I can see the mark I just made. I'm just going to kind of clamp this in to keep it from rolling around on me. So what we're going to want to do is we're going to want to drill straight through there and out the other side of both of these. So then we're going to come back with our step bit and open those up a bit. I'm going to slide that off of there though to do it. And hopefully those are all lined up right. Not quite lined up quite like I would want, but they're lined up well enough. So with all those cut, it's just a matter of lifting it up and poking them under there. So I'm going to see if I can do that by myself. So I'm going to replace all these temporary bolts with some regular bolts, washers, and a nut. Pretty secure. Now it's just a matter of doing that to the other 5 legs. Alright, well I hope you found this car canopy height extension video interesting. I hope that helps you on your own builds. And remember, regular videos come out every Sunday, so make sure and like and subscribe. We'll see you next week.